Students, just going through once again the general query in MySQL. Fine, general query in MySQL. All right. So this terminal is opened already. So just entering inside. Okay, and then this MySQL prompt, which is very important in order to initiate the commands of MySQL. So we are just dropping a database out here first of all, just to remove the database, because we will create a database of same name. Okay, so I'm just giving the name drop database. Okay, drop database master. Okay, so master 1. Okay, so this database we are just removing it because it is already there. Okay, so this database has been removed from the system. Okay, now we are just creating the database from the beginning. I am just using the command, so you will be able to do it practically. Okay, and students, those who have not attended the classes regularly, so for them also this particular tutorial will be very useful. Okay, so just I'm creating the database right now. Okay, this is the general query, create database. Okay, database what I will create here, master 1. Okay, so this create database master 1, when I am giving, then what is actually happening, the database has been created. Now once you are creating the database, then the next phase of next command that to be used to bring the database into the work area. Okay, means like to select the database. So how would you do this? You have to do this use then the name of the database. Okay, see, SQL commands are very easy. Okay, so there is a general format for each and every MySQL command. So these are the one of this one. So use and name of the database. So whatever database, if it is a student database, if it's a master database, or whatever it is. Okay, that is the thing. So use master 1. Okay, so now database changed. Now we are ready with our work area. Now we can continue our work. Fine, how will you do this? Okay, so first of all we will see, we create a table first of all. So we are just not creating, previously we have created the student table, employee table. Today we will create a table that will have the name of the products of in a departmental store or something like that. So create table, we are just using create table name, and just giving the table name as create table item. Okay, create table item. Now we are using one here IT code, means like item code. Okay, item code. So taking char 5. Char 5 means maximum 5 characters can be accepted, fixed character length, and this is a primary key. Okay, so primary key, we no need to give any other constant, because it cannot accept, it will never accept any null value. Fine. So the thing is that now you see out here primary key, then what I will just give product name, PR name I just giving out here. So this is I'm giving the variable character length. Okay, so maximum 30. Okay, Achha. Next is what we can give the price of the price of the things, price of a particular this thing, what you call product. Okay, price, this one I'm taking as integer. Okay, price integer. And what else should we take? Price integer. After giving the price, we can take the batch number, batch, batch number. So here I am just using batch number. This is also cat type. Okay, so cat type and maximum 5. Okay, I'm taking, and then say date of purchase, DOP, which is a date type field. Okay, so a table structure I have thought, I have thought this one in this way I will implement. You also can think your own structure. Okay, and you can implement in this way. Okay, so the format you have to follow, create table and then the name of the table, and then you have to give the list of columns. Okay, these are the list of columns, and the constraints if necessary you have to mention. Okay, now let us see that this table has been created. If you want to see its constraint, you can see this in this way by using the describe command, DESC, and you have to give the table name. So I'm giving this DESC item. So what is actually the thing out here? DESC item has been created. Okay, IT code, so all the things have been created. So primary key, the null value is, this thing has been changed. Okay, now the thing is that if you want to change change from null to not null, what will you use and how would you do this? You thought that maybe the PR name I don't want to keep it as null, so I have to give the PR name. All right, that is the thing. Now see what I will do, alter table, and the name of the table you have to give item. Okay, and then you have to give the modify or attribute of the alter command, and then modify, and which one you are modifying, product name. Okay, and you have to mention the data type also in this case. Okay, varchar varchar, then you are giving out here 30, okay, and then you are using here not null, okay. So not null constraint I'm using because it cannot be kept empty, okay, in that case, okay. That is the thing. So pr name varchar not null, I'm changing it from null to not null, okay. That is the thing. So it has been done, okay. Now you see that whether it has been changed or not. Yes, you see out here, no, yeah, yes, it has become. Now it will not accept any null value, you have to supply a value for it. So if you try to do, if you try to keep it null, it will give you error message, okay. Now say for example, if I want to do the same thing with price, so what could I do? I can create it in this way, alter table, then I'll just give out here price, okay, and then its data type must be mentioned price, then integer, okay, and then so not null, fine. So it has also been modified, okay. That is the thing. So in this way, what you have done, you have two in these two attributes you have changed, that is you have modified the constraint from null to not null, fine. Now the thing is that what we will do, I want to add up one more constraint with the batch number, that is unique, okay. So what I will do, alter table, and then say I'm giving item out here, add, okay, unique, okay, and unique, and within bracket you have to give the name of the field, okay. Then what will happen, like this, I can press enter, okay. Then what will happen, you will be able to add the unique constraint with this batch number. Now you once again you confirm with the item. See, describe item is not mandatory. If anybody wants to confirm further, okay, they can apply this command, but this is not mandatory. And once you have applied this command and no errors are coming, means this constraints 100% have been added. But still, if anyone wants to be satisfied themselves, okay, and all, okay, anybody wants to satisfy himself, okay, in that case describe can be given, okay, in order to see that whether the constraint has been added perfectly or not. So it has been added perfectly out here. Now we are coming to the entering the data part, okay. So how to enter the data? Now whenever you are entering the data, it is better to see the describe item, this one, because it actually tells us the data type that you have assigned for this particular table, what are the attributes and what are the sometimes we might make some mistake also while entering the data and all. So in that case, what will happen, if you can see this one, if you see this one once, then you will be able to understand what kind of data actually you need to supply, okay, to the different attributes of the particular table. Now you see students, okay, IT code. So what is the command? The base command is insert into table name, okay. This is the base command, okay. Insert into item values, okay, just to give this thing values, okay. So the IT code say A1134, okay, maximum 5 characters. So I am utilizing all five characters, okay. And then product name, suppose I am giving out a ruler, okay, okay, fine. And then say price is rupees 10, okay, sorry, price is rupees 10, and then say batch number, say R9090, okay, 5 characters long. And then say date of purchase is say 2021 hyphen 09 hyphen 09 hyphen 18, okay. 18th September I have purchased this one, okay. So this is the thing. So because we are actually generating the, we have to generate the the invoice, okay. So just we are making this particular table in the backend, so the interface program can access this data and can prepare the bill, okay. So with a view to that, we are just creating this table, fine. So now inserted, record has been inserted. Now just press the up arrow key to get the previous record. So in that way you can save your time. So you no need to type the entire thing, only you can change the data. Say I'm taking B5656, okay. So 5 characters are there, so I'm just giving out here eraser, okay, eraser, okay. Then say eraser is costing around 20 rupees, say, and this E, and then say you are changing this one as 9898, okay. And then say 2021 I'm just keeping, okay, 13, and then say not sorry, I'm sorry, not 13, I can get 12, I can give 18, okay, sorry, I can give 18 out here. So this is the correct format of the date, 18th December 2021, okay. So the record has been inserted. Now see, one more record we will insert. See, this is primary key, so you cannot use the duplicate IT code, okay. IT code is the primary key. If you would like to check, then you can keep this one same, then we can check it out. Say this one I am just entering out here, say dot pen, okay, dot pen, I am just keeping out here dot pen, okay. So just giving out here the 56 rupees is the price, and then say P, and then say I'm just keeping out here, and this also you cannot keep unique, but you can keep it null, okay, that is there, okay, 8090, okay. And then say date of purchase is say 0 1, and then say you are keeping out a 13th. Okay, see, it is giving me error. Why? Because this primary key I have not changed, so primary key never accepts the duplicate value, students. Okay, that is the thing, so you have to change it. Okay, so that is the thing. Suppose I am keeping it B and then changing this number. Okay, say 8900. Okay, so that is the thing. So the dot pen can be inserted. Okay, with the price 56. Fine, press enter. Okay, so you have inserted this one. Now for the next data, I'm just going out here. Say this one I'm just keeping out here 1313. Okay, so this is I'm just keeping ball pen. Okay, ball pen, and the price is say rupees 60. Okay, and then say okay BP. Okay, and then say 090. Okay, date of purchase is 13th of February, no 13th 15th of February 2021. So 4 records we have inserted so far. You can see the listing one, select star from item. Okay, you will be able to see whatever I have inserted. Fine, so these values I have inserted. Now you see the another syntax for this one. Just we are checking the constant by using the describe command for the table concerned. Okay, so that's the thing. So now I'm using another insert command and another syntax of insert command, that is insert into table name. That is common, but okay, item, then you give the which are the fields you want to enter the values. You see out here IT code, PR name and price, you have to give the value because I have kept this one as no. Okay, so I cannot keep these things empty, so I'm just keeping out here A. Okay, 113. Okay, 39. Okay, so that is the thing, and the product name is say notebook. Okay, notebook. Okay, notebook, and then say price is say 50. Okay, that I'm giving. So so I'm sorry, first of all I have to give the name of the fields. Okay, IT code I am giving first, IT code, and then say what I am giving, product name. Okay, PRNM. Okay, and then I am giving price out here. Okay, price, then I am giving the values. Okay, so what is the thing, values. Okay, values, and then say what I am keeping out here. I am keeping out here first value, I am keeping out here A 2323. Okay, so then what pencil I am keeping, pencil. Okay, and then say price is say 18 rupees. Fine, so this I am inserting. Okay, then enter. So it has been taken. Okay, fine. So now the thing is that you see that batch no is unique, but it is null, so null can be accepted. That is not a problem for the unique constraint. Okay, here just I am changing, that part will remain same, and just changing it is Z. Okay, okay, 0005. Okay, then say here I am keeping the okay notebook or notebook. Okay, and then say this price is 90 rupees. Okay, and then press enter. Okay, so now you see students, I have altogether entered 6 records. Okay, now let us see once the status of that thing. Okay, so you see out here where I have not given the data, that part, that attribute has been filled with null. Okay, you can see out here. Okay, that is the thing. So one data is here, one data is here, has become null out here. So if I want to display the null records, okay, how could I do it? Okay, that is the thing. So here I can find out here the batch number, DOP. So any one of the field name you can use in order to display the null records. Fine, so what is the thing, select. Okay, select star. Okay, star means everything from employee. Okay, employee, so not employee, so it is item. Okay, where batch no. Okay, first let us try it with batch no. Okay, is null. Okay, don't give equals to null. Okay, always give is null. So there is some error. Okay, batch no. So here is the problem, some problem is here. Okay, null it has become, it will become null actually, NULL. Okay, so this is a wrong comment, so the error has been appeared. So here you can see the batch number is null, those records have been listed. Fine, and this the same thing is possible with the DOP also, since here if it is only one field null then it is fine here, but here the multiple fields you are having the null value, so you can give either of the field name, that will be shown. And if you don't want to see these null values other than null, if you want to display, just give out here a logical operator is not null. Okay, so is not null will display all the records which are not null at all. Okay, so the things has been displayed. So we are having altogether 6 records, but 4 are having the all the values, so 2 are having null values. Okay, now we will see slowly, we will just see how to modify these null values. Okay, that is the question. Okay, so you need to use for this one update command first of all. Update. Okay, so let us see update. Okay, update, and then say item, update item then what we need to change? We need to change batch number and DOP. Okay, I update item set. Okay, set batch number, that value to be given batch no equals to, say you have to give say what we are having, p, okay, 9898. Okay, so you have been given. Okay, and then comma, since it is a multiple, so date of purchase also to be given. So for the pencil we are doing right now. Okay, batch number and the null value, and then see this is DOP equals to, say 2022 hyphen 01 hyphen, sorry, hyphen 01 hyphen 19. Okay, so that is the thing. So it has been done. Okay, now the thing is that we have to give the criteria for whom I am doing, where. Okay, so it has been taken unique, so the null cannot be kept in this way. So you have to give the what, you have to give the where, because batch number has been taken as unique. Okay, so unique key field, you must put some criteria. So IT code is the unique in nature, so I will just give IT code over here. IT code for pencil is what, for whom you are doing, for pencil. Okay, so A2323, A2323. Okay, sorry. Okay, so that is the thing. So then the editing will take place. Okay, so just press enter. One row has been matched and one row has been affected. Fine. So now let us see for the another one. Okay, say I'm just changing the date first of all. So it is 01, and then I'm keeping, say 29th, this one. Okay, and then say batch number also is unique in nature, it will not be accepted otherwise. So I'm saying 0008. Okay, so now what is the thing, notebook. Okay, so I'm just keeping out here n, okay, before n, and then where IT code is, notebook is Z0005. Okay, so that exact code has to be given, okay, in the criteria that to be entered. Okay, so the record will be modified with respect to the same IT code only. So it has been done. Okay, now you see out here, so just we will the listing, we will do it. Okay, now students, you see out here, so everywhere the record has been filled up. Okay, so a table has been made whose name is item. Okay, and there are how many rows? 6 rows. So that means the cardinality of this table is 6. And what is the degree of the table? Degree means there are 5 attributes, so 5 columns are there. Okay, so that means the degree is also 5. Okay, that is the things. One thing you need to remember, students, whenever you are counting the cardinality of a table, so in that case don't count this heading. Okay, okay, because I have seen sometimes students are calculating by including this heading. This heading is not a relationships we are here. Okay, so these are the logical relationships. Okay, that is the thing. So you need to count only the number of relationships. So there are 6 relationships, that means 6 rows, and the same is the cardinal number of the table. Okay, so in this way this is very useful in order to create the table. And I have shown you today how to update the records. Okay, and how to create the database, how to insert the records, and how to create the table. And some of the alter comments I have shown you also. Alter comment, what it does, it actually what we have done out here, we have added the change the constant from null to not null, as well as we have added the unique constraint also to the name, to the field batch number. Okay, so you can once again confirm it with the constraint. Remember, constraints are not necessary, are not mandatory. If you want, you may give it. Okay, and if you don't want, you can leave it afterwards. As per your requirement, you can modify it. So these are the constraints that you can see out here. IT code, PR name, these are the name of the fields or the columns or the attributes. These are the data type, and these are the constraint, and these are the key constraints. Okay, some constraints are normal constraints are there, null constraints or not null constraints, and these are the key constraints. And wherever we have not given the constraint, there the null has been reported out here. So for these 2 fields you can easily enter the null values, whereas for the first 3 you cannot enter any null value. Okay, so this is for today's content that I had shown you today. So you practice it accordingly. I think you will have no problem in doing this. So open MySQL and start practicing this kind of commands first of all, and keep it and bring it into your grip. Okay, that is the thing. So just a general query, suppose I want to display the name of the products and IT code, price range between say 20 to 40. Okay, so what I will do, then select what, IT code. Okay, IT code, and then PR name. Okay, PR name. Okay, from what, from item. Okay, from item, where, okay, price between what, price between 20 and 40. Okay, within this range. Okay, that is actually the thing. Okay, this range. Okay, so what will happen? This is a general query, so using between clause. Okay, clear. So it is showing only the eraser is coming into that arena. Okay, 20 to 40 range, only the eraser is coming. So what is the price of the eraser? Eraser is 20 rupees, so it has been included over there. Okay, between 20 and 40, others are not below that. So in that case, what will happen? If you want to display the which is less than 20, that also can be done. In that case, where price, you have to use the relational operator. In this case, students, you have to use the relational operator. What relational operator? Like this. Okay, operator less than 20. So then what will happen? Which are the product having the price less than 20, that will be displayed. You can see one, select star from item, so you can verify from here. Ruler and pencil has been displayed with their IT code. So ruler and pencil is having the price 18 and 10, which is well less than 20. Okay, so in this way, what could you do? You can easily create your own query, and you can check and you can verify it by using the select star from item. Okay, that is the thing. So these queries are quite important, and whatever you have seen out here, okay, that also can be achievable by using the logical operator. Where the talk about the between. Okay, so between. Okay, between clause. Okay, let me see. Between clause is also there. Okay, so this is the insert comments and all what we have used that time. Okay, and the between clause you can see over there. Okay, so that's the thing. So let us write once more. Select IT code or IT code comma pr name from item. Okay, this time we are not using the between clause, but the same can be made. Okay, price, where price is greater than or equals to 20, and price is less than or equals to say 40. Okay, then what will happen? The similar result can be achievable. Here the logical operator and has been used, and the relational operator. Okay, so the price range we are just setting out here. Okay, so I have not given the table name actually, that's why the error has been appeared. Okay, from item, where clause has not been used out here, so where to be given for the criteria. So that's why the where clause is so significant. Okay, so the similar result has come which you have achieved with between. Okay, that is the thing. So between, this is the thing that you have given, similar result is coming. Okay, so in this way you have to utilize the query in a proper manner. All right, students. Okay, so you practice this one in MySQL, open MySQL, create the table, create the database, and insert the values and apply this kind of queries. Okay, thank you.